Hey everyone, I wanted to post a quick follow-up to my seed order video. These are the seeds I have planted so far. And here are the arugula and lettuce seedlings we planted together last time. They are ready to go in the garden, which will make room for our new seed trays. So here is the first round of seeds that were sown. It's a good mix of slow growing and fast growing plants. And in a few days, seedlings were already emerging. So far, I'm really happy with my seed order. Seeds from each packet germinated. Some took a little longer than others, but that's totally normal. I'll put the seed and supply information in the description. A couple of weeks later, and the fast-growing seedlings were ready to start hardening off, making room for the next round of seeds, which were melons, squash, and okra. It was getting crowded on the grow shelf, so I had to add a bank of T5 lights. These are perfect for the last stage for seedlings before they start hardening off. As you can see, almost every well has a seedling growing from it. And now the fast-growing veggies are outside in the final stages of getting used to the environment and should be going into the garden within the week. Happy gardening. Catch you next time. Cool. Yay. Doing it.